Hello guys, today we paint a kiwi. No, I mean this kiwi. With this easy tutorial, you learn a lot about the fill tool, layers and brushes. First, we need a brown color, like the kiwi peel. Down here you can copy the color number from me if you like. Then we take the technical pen and choose this size. We also activate the predictive stroke tool. Make an oval circle and a half moon like this. This will be the half kiwi. Now we make another complete kiwi in the background, like this. When you are ready, create the new layer and activate the fill tool. Here you can activate the sample all layer option. First, we fill the kiwi in the background. Then we create a new layer and fill the foreground kiwi. Also separate the skin and the peel areas from each other with different layers. Now we have separated everything into different segments. Now we can work much better, trust me. Okay, let's start with the coloring. Mark this layer and lock him. Take the inking pen and this lighter brown for the highlight. And on the underside we take this green. Now we take the blend brush and blur all together. For the hairy peel of the kiwi, we take this texture brush and this color. For the tribe, we use the tattoo inker. Next, with the flow airbrush, we shade the kiwi like this. Now on the other kiwi peel, we make the exact same thing again. Don't forget to lock the layer. Perfect! When you are ready, we can start with the spectacular part of the kiwi. Again, lock the layer, take the inking pen and the green color. Blend the colors with the blend brush. Then we take the tattoo anchor to make the face of the kiwi. First we create the center. Make some white spikes from the middle. And now make the seeds very irregularly. Make some strokes like this. And then blend them gently with the smudge web brush. For a realistic look, we take the chalk pastel brush. Make some small highlights with the technical pen on the seeds. This small accent makes the kiwi look so cool. With the glow brush, you can make the kiwi look juicy. Perfect. When you are finished, merge all layers together. For the background, we create a new layer and color it black. You can add some more kiwi hair on the corners. The kiwi is a great type of fruit to have if you are worried about calories and if you want to have healthy nutrition. An average sized kiwi, which weighs around 80 grams, has only 50 calories. The kiwi is also a vitamin C bomb. It has twice as much as an orange. So if you eat a kiwi a day, the daily requirement of vitamin C is as good as covered. For the reflection, we duplicate the layer. And with the transformation tool, you can set the reflection like this. Take the flow airbrush to make more shadows. Finished! This was my kiwi tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. And don't forget to eat a kiwi a day.